Hello Philippines, hello universe, welcome back to my channel. This is your Madam Moonlight. Hi guys, this reading is for our Pisces friends. Pisces friends, this is for you for the month of March 4th week. This is a love Tagalog reading para kay Pisces for the month of March 4th week. Again, month of March 4th week. Guys, by the way, konting heads up lang, tumataas yung count ng pandemic natin. So please magstay po tayo sa bahay. Huwag mo tayong lumabas kung kailangan nating sa bahay na lang at huwag na masyadong rumampa ng rumampa. Sa bahay na lang po tayo. Extra careful, mag face mask, mag face sheet, lagi may alcohol. Pag uwi, maligo agad. Okay? I have some friends na nasa medical field and sobrang pagod na sila. So, alam yun, kawawa naman. So, stay at home po tayo everybody. Again, this is for our Pisces friends for the month of March 4th week. Magsa-start na po tayo. Umipiyok-piyok pa gusto nyo yan. Again guys, if you haven't subscribed sa aking channel, please mag-subscribe na po kayo. Don't forget to hit the notification bell para lagi update sa aking every upload. Plus, if you want to purchase a personal tarot reading with me, you can communicate with me through my Instagram account, which is Twilight_Tagalog_TV. I accept personal tarot reading every every Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. Off ako ng Friday, Saturday and Sunday na ulit ang balik. So, thank you guys. And thank you for always watching and subscribing. Again, follow me here on TikTok. Naka-live ako lagi sa TikTok every time I do my reading. So, kung nasa TikTok ko kayo, nauuna kayo para mapanood yung mga reading nating for Zodiac sign. My TikTok account ay nasa description below. And sasabihin ko na din, my TikTok account is mon.sebastian. I show my face there. Anyway, let's start na with the reading. Again guys, this is for our Pisces friend 4th week of March. The first card that we have, oh by the way, this is from the past going to the future tayo, okay? Past going to the future. Oh my god, nagulo. Let's start with the reading. The Tower card is present, okay? For the past weeks or months, Pisces, you met someone na you were very interested. But the thing is, this person tried to push you away. This person tried to cut the relationship or cut the communication. Why I'm saying that the Tower card is present, meaning this person did something like parang problematic and he did something na hindi mo nagustuhan. At ikaw naman masyado kang nag-react and yun lang yung deserve na reaction na ginawa mo or yun lang yung reaction na ginawa mo. So, hindi niya na-accept or hindi okay sa kanya. So, parang nilet go niya agad yung emotions niya. The King of Swords is present. Yung decision making na ginawa niya towards the relationship ay hindi masyadong solid yung decision. Hindi masyadong maganda yung decision making na ginawa niya. And hindi ako nag-upload sa mga ganong kind of decision because if that person is really willing to be with you in the future for the next following years or months, dapat hindi agad-agad nag-give up. But the thing is, this person tried to push you away at give up agad sa kung anong meron kayo. Next card natin, si 3 of Cups plus si 3 of Wands is present at magkatapat sila. 3 of Cups, this is all about third party. Okay? Yung tao na yan, kung ano yung reason niya, nag-away kayo, yun lang yung reason na sinasabi niya sa'yo. But the real reason is parang merong third party na ganap. Parang this person is talking to someone else. This person is communicating with someone else. This person got diverted. Do I still make sense? Tama ba yung English ko? Parang na-divert agad yung attention niya sa ibang tao, which is wrong. Kasi kapag love ka ng tao, kahit anong tukson dumating sa kanya, hindi siya hindi mai-interrupt o hindi mawala yung emotions niya towards you. Shoutout lang ako sa 90 people who's watching me on TikTok. Thank you guys for watching. Tapos present din si 3 of Wands. Yung taong nagkaroon or naging main reason ng breakup or ng pagkaka-separate ng ways ninyo, pwedeng galing from the past. Okay? Next card naman natin, mag-move forward tayo. Okay? The 6 of Pentacles plus King of Cups is present. Look at the card. Pakita sa TikTok friends. Sa inyo naman. Okay. Ang ibig sabihin nito, you are trying to share what you have. parang kung ano yung na-experience mong regarding love life, regarding sa past relationship mo, kung ano man yung na-experience mo doon, yun yung ginagamit mong yun yung ginagamit mong parang bala or yung ginagamit mong energy how to handle the next relationship. Wait lang. Okay? Ayun yung ginagamit mo. So, syempre that's a good game plan because whatever that you're experiencing from the past, bad or good, madadala mo yun sa future because that what makes you as a whole person. And that is a good game plan. But the thing is, that person didn't appreciate it. And parang tinake niya yun as a negative. Kasi parang sinabi niya na, parang, yung mga past mo, hindi ako yon. Yung mga ex mo, hindi ako yon. So, kung ano man yung nangyari sa past mo, hindi na mangyari ngayon. But the thing is, siya ngayon na-divert yung attention. The King of Cups is present. Sobra ka magmahal, nanggigigil din ako sa'yo, sobra ka magbigay ng emotions, sobra ka magbigay ng love, ng effort sa tao na yan. Alam nyo, Pisces, walang masama sa sobrang ma-in love, pero you should know your limitations. You should know where to stop, you should know where to inhale again and find different aspect of the relationship. Hindi pwedeng sobrang mahal na mahal mo. Dapat right amount of love. I'm not an expert, pero dapat right amount of love, right amount of respect, right amount of care. Wag sobra-sobra. Hindi masamang magmahal, pero wag sobra-sobra. Meron tayong tinatawag na 80-20. Those rules applied sometimes, pero hindi ko siya, parang medyo mahirap siyang gawin. Like 80% ma-in love ka, 20% for yourself. Pero kasi may mga taong pag na-in love, todo, hindi na nila kayang i-separate yung sarili nila sa emotions. Parang pag na-in love ako, okay, todo na 100%, bigay ko na lahat, pati yung flower ko, bigay ko na. Ganon, may mga taong ganon. So, medyo tricky yon, okay? Next, let's proceed to your future. What's gonna happen to your future? The Lover's card is present, and the Eight of Swords is present. Look at the Lover's card. Oh, nakahubad. This is all about sex life, pero dahil naka-reverse, ito na, manda kayo sa akin. Kapag present yung card na ito, you are very easy to parang ang daling makuha ng attention mo. You need to be careful about the person from the past because anytime they will communicate with you, they will ask you something, they will get your attention. And they might use this as an advantage because syempre, inisip nila, gustong-gusto pa ako nito. So, anytime i-message ko to, anytime kukunin ko yung attention niya, makukuha ko. So, do not show that you're very like into them, into him, into her. Wag masyado, okay? You need to find your inner peace. You need to find your inner guidance. You need to soul search. Kasi malaking tulong yun. Mag-meditate ka if what will be the best game plan for your love life. Okay? So, ayun, if you're expecting something like good things will happen in the future, parang Pisces, mag-focus ka muna sa sarili mo, parang wala munang love life na darating, pero baka may sex life because si Lover's card is present. Pag present siya, yung sex life mo galing from the past. So, baka yung ex mo makipag-communicate at makipag-kemihan lang din. Pero please be careful. Kung willing kang gawin yun, go ahead. Pero kung baka feeling masasaktan ka at masasacrifice yung emotions mo toward that person, step back a little, think about it, maging matalino, maging mapagmatsyag, matanglawin kung ganon. Diba? Char! Anyway, that's it guys. Thank you for watching. See you again next week sa aming next video. Again, if you haven't subscribed yet, please mag-subscribe na po kayo sa aking channel. And don't forget to hit the notification bell para lagi update sa aking every upload. Plus, if you want to purchase a personal tarot reading with me, you can communicate with me through my Instagram account, which is Twilight_Tagalog_TV. You have a nice day, everybody. Bye-bye. Ingat po.